Okay, doing some repairs on my HVAC system, and I just wanted to go over some temperature differences between my treated ductwork and the untreated ductwork. I'm using, I gotta think, bear with me. I'm using Rustoleum elastomeric roof treatment with Hytech ceramic additives. Okay, and Hytech's supposed to give it about an R7, roughly. So let's take a look at the readings here. Come on, it's not moving. Call it 62.4. So it's hard to get a good reading with these laser pointers because there's different thicknesses from the paintbrush. But we figured 62.4 was consistent on the aluminum here. We'll go again here, see what we get. I'm going to call it 60 degrees. So a 2.5 degree difference. So you math wizards can figure it out. But there is a difference. So we take a look at the ceiling here. Now this is the same stuff on this ceiling. This is the same stuff on the subflooring. Let's go under. Let's do a shot this way. $67.4. So about a one degree temperature change. Hey, I'll take anything. You know, I'll take anything. Anything that helps. So I don't know what that constitutes in an R value. Average temperature outside 73 degrees. So somebody out there can do the math. But that's only one coat. So what we've been doing under here is we've been sealing this up. If you remember from my prior video, this is all masking. I treated it with a concrobium and then I sealed it up. We're not done sealing. I just got distracted on the vent work. And then under here, completely seal this up so that there's no air getting through that lowercase unit here underneath the house. Inner bottom case unit's all sealed up here. Every single hole, you have to seal this. You have to do this. If you don't seal up everything, you're going to get air intrusion through your subflooring, and whatever's under your house is going to be in your house because you've got a vacuum in the house with the furnace system running. So a lot of work, a lot of hours, man. We got lots and lots of hours under this house. making it right. But anyway, I just wanted to do a little comparison on those readings to see if there actually was a difference, and there is. Also, I want to go over what we're doing here with the duct. So I got rid of that garbage duct work, that flexible stuff with the pink shit in it. And if you have any flexible duct work in your home, I would highly recommend you get rid of it. This is what I've done. I've replaced it with rigid line. And we're going to go ahead and seal this up today so that it's going to be airtight. We'll clean everything out of the duct work, and we've eliminated all the flexible line except the main run here. That's a 12-inch line. I'll be dealing with that later in the week. We're going to get rid of that. And that one, we do it right. There you have it. Alrighty.